Hello, I am Dr. Buena, and for today, unless you're having trouble or your laptop being slow or lagging. So, for today, I will show you tips or tutorials to fix your problem. So, my first step is to disable your laptop startups that you don't use often. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Here, press Startups. Now, you can see the apps that will open automatically on your laptop once you open your laptop. Disable the app that you don't want to open once you open your laptop. And the second tip is to update your Windows regularly to make sure you have the latest of Windows 11. Go to Settings and press on Windows Update. Check for any updates. Press on it. Okay, I'm gonna spin this part up. Once you're done, if you have any more updates, restart your PC and after that, tingnan mo if it runs faster. Thank you.
Magandang buhay everyone! Are you having trouble having your friend fix their laptop? Especially when they're far away from you? Today, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect your friend's laptop on your laptop using UltraViewer. Load UltraViewer from their official website. Please be aware na para ma-ensure safety ng PC nyo, kailangan i-download nyo ang UltraViewer sa official website. After nyo ma-download, you need to install it. Then after that, after nyo install, kailangan nyo yung ID ng partner or yung friend nyo. So, kailangan nyo din mag-install ng UltraViewer. After nyo ma-install, you need to enter the partner ID and password. Then, after that, you need to select Connect to Partner. Then after that, connected na yung PC ng partner nyo sa inyo. Para hindi maging black yung wallpaper, pumunta kayo sa Option and Show Remote Wallpaper. And after that, you can fix your friend's laptop on your laptop. For watching, that's all. Thank you.
To what's up guys? Ngayon ay mag-i-install tayo ng antivirus pwede sa PC or laptop. So dito open lang natin yung Chrome. Okay. Dito lang natin yan. Type. Ida-download po natin ay Avast Antivirus. Yan po. Antivirus yan. So click natin yan. Natin ito free antivirus yan lalabas, then click the free download o lumabas, tayo natin yan, lumabas na download na, and click natin to. So ito ang lumabas, click lang natin yung yes, tayo natin load. Okay. Loading pa siya. Then, hintayin lang natin ang konti. Ang lumabas. Yan. And click natin yung install. Okay. Yan, nagda-download na siya. So, ito po. 1,000 download yan po lumabas. Click continue. And continue with free. Then click din natin yan. Okay. So i-scan po yan kung may virus pa yung ating laptop PC. Yan. Medyo po matagal yung pag-i-scan natin, no? Yan, may lumabas sa problem. So, yan. May problem tayo. So, yan. Tapos na tayo mag-download. And kung may kailangan kayo, pindot-pindot nyo lang yan. So, yan. Palikutin nyo lang kung ano nandyan. Then, kanina may problem tayo. Di natin ma-resolve kasi may bayad. So, yun lang guys. Thank you. Na-download na natin yung ating antivirus.
So, hi guys. So, today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-fix ang flickering issue ng inyong laptop on Windows 10 or 11. So, guys, ang unang first step natin is right-click lang natin Windows. Then, Device Manager. Click lang natin. And after that, papalakayin ko lang. Kung makikita nyo, no, madaming lumabas, pero ang hanapin lang natin is monitors. So, click lang yan. Then, right-click natin itong integrated monitor. So, kung makikita nyo, tatlo, no, update, disable, and install. Ang gagawin natin, update natin yan. Then, search for first, ito hanapin tayo. Yeah. So, tapos na. So, kung hanapin naman natin, dito naman tayo. Doon pa din. Update natin siya. So, for my computer, let me pick. So, gagamitin lang natin tong dalawa, no? Kung makikita nyo, ang gamit ko ito. Kung itatry natin, ito po. Ito ang gagamitin natin. Yan, ine-next lang natin yan. Next lang. Then, yun. Next natin, no? So, yun na. So, yeah. successful naman. So, kung yung laptop nyo is may flickering issue pa rin, so, ang next step na gagawin natin is, ganun pa rin. Kaso nga lang, ang hanapin naman natin is sa may graphics. So, dun din natin makikita yung kung anong gamit natin graphics. So, dun ulit, right-click lang natin, Device Manager. So, palagay lang natin guys. So, click lang natin tong display adapters. Then, Intel. Click lang natin siya. Then, update. Then, search for automatically. So, yeah. Okay siya. Install naman. And may drivers na tayo naka-install. So, close lang natin. Yung isa pa. Kung hindi pa rin siya gumagana, papalit lang tayo ng graphics card. So, tayo sa Boss My Computer Drivers. Then, let me pick. So, pipili lang kayo dito. So, ang gamit ko is ito. Itong nasa taas. Nag-flickering din. Gamitin yung ibang graphics. Then, next nyo lang. Then, yun lang. Pagka-install nyo, and naayos na yung flickering issue nyo, then you're done. So, if meron pa rin siyang nag-flick sa inyong screen, so, you just need to update your Windows sa settings. So, para maayos na yung flickering issue nyo. And that's all guys. Thank you. Goodbye.
So guys, habang nagbe-browse ako, napapansin ko hindi nag-charge yung laptop ko. So, check natin. Wala pa rin. Nakasaksak na yan. Wala pa rin. So, may need tayo gawin para magamit pa natin yung laptop, which is bibili tayo ng bagong charger ng laptop. So, nag-browse ulit ako and may nakita akong charger ng laptop ko, which is 65 watts siya. So, maganda na rin yun kasi mas mapapabilis yung charging natin. So, add to cart na natin. So, itong original na charger is 45 watts. Hindi ko sure kung anong watts yung nabili kong charger. So, titignan na natin kasi parang may komplikado na siya dun sa loob. Yan. Matagal-tagal na rin siya. Mahigit magto 2 years na yung laptop ko. So, kaya siguro nasira tapos kakabagsak. So, ito na yung nabili ko. Kagaya lang din naman. Asus. So, hindi ko alam kung anong watts to. Wait, check natin. Anong watts? Bala na. Basta, ano lang siya, mas malaki lang siya dito. Sa original. Yung original, maliit lang ito. Sakto lang. Tignan natin kung gagana. Ito na yung bagong charger. Ito yung luma. So, saksak na natin. Whoops. Tignan natin kung gumagana. Yun.
Charging na siya. Oops. Charging na siya. So, gumana yung technique. Or, ano lang naman. Ang ginawa lang natin is bumili sa online. Kasi wala tayong pang duplicate ng original nito. So, yun lang.